Hey guys, so today we have a different video for you. My baby, my dog. Yeah, she's a Chihuahua. So today it's like so nice outside, like it feels so good. Today we'll be designing with this like earplugs. I took them off the string, but now I just need to take these. My dad, the reason why I have so much of these, the reason why I have so much is just because my dad works at a place where they give like 5-pack earphones to him, and he gave me some. So sorry about that. And I have this piece of just small, but I just want to design it, so I cut it open because remember that video I made for you guys where I opened up my package, not as big guys, I opened up my package and this is what I got in it, and I cut it open. So I'm just gonna design the piece and I'll be back. I'm gonna go get the paint. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, I just spilled my slime. I'll be back again. Okay guys, so finally I'm back. My mom was just asking me what I wanted to eat because we were ordering something. So here's the bag of my, yes, it's for Valentine's Day, but I like to use it. So I got a Sharpie because I don't have black nail polish. Okay, let me see if I have to slide. Oh my god, that one feels so good. Like, it feels so warm. Like, it's not cold, it's not hot. It feels like spring out there. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, I want to go to the park right now. Okay. So, I got glitter. Got blue nail polish. Pink. It looks red on camera, but it's pink. Sorry, I don't want to be too loud because my sister's leaving. She won't feel good. Green, like a light green, like a milkshake green, and purple bluish. It's dark blue. So like those are the light colors. So I'm not allowed to have dark colors. Okay. And I wrote this rubber band, like if I want to separate something, you know. Okay, so let's get entonces. Oh my gosh, where did I drop that? Hold on guys, I'll be back. I just dropped my Sharpie. Okay guys, I'm back. And I got the marker back. So let's put it on the slide. Okay, so some of these I cut up. And it has like a particular foam, like, focus.